montañita.
In this video I'd like to discuss about pre-trip inspection, and let's go starting checking my truck. I'm usually beginning from front and checking my headlights, wheels and any some damage. And we begin first from wheels. Wheels on the front, it's very important. Front wheels is very important because it's when tires on front wheels is damaged, it can be really traffic accident. It's very important. In my life one time front wheels was damaged, and I saw this on the truck stop. It's really helped me. It's maybe saved me life. Next step is these lights and wheels rear on my truck. This wheels is too good. And here reflector lights, and here too, and here, and this one. Okay, it's okay, and go to rear. Checking reflectors light and red light. Here everything okay. And here marker light, marker light, marker light, and wheels on the trailer. Looks good. Lights here. Wheels. And checking any damage on our trailer. Our lights here. Marker lights. And these wheels. Checking our tanks. Okay. These tires. Reflectors. And headlights. If trailer don't have any damage, our lights nice, and if our wheels look very good, we can begin our job. And sometimes from time to time, don't every day, I'm checking oil level in engine. Other tank is too, is closed and without any damage. And checking our hoses and cables. It looks pretty good. Also guys, need checking our flywheels. And if everything okay, we can begin our trip. Let's go guys, let's go do it our job.